Today I will share with you the correct input and output process of ACES for After Effects. First, I rendered a fluid motion video using Arnold from Cinema 4D. File format selection OpenXR compression mode selection DWAA 32-bit depth. This is the formatting of the Arnold renderer. Switch to the After Effects import sequence. A project panel. Right mouse button, import file. Remember to check the sequence properties. Click on the import command. Select the imported sequence and create a new composition. Pull the timeline and check if the sequence is correct. Switch to Cinema 4D software to compare screen differences. It's clear that After Effects is not rendered right. Modify the default project parameters to ensure that it is 32-bit floating point. Color management is OCIO configuration selection ACES. Modify the display color space to sRGB. You also need to select main for interpreting footage. Switch to the color panel and check Perceive RGB. Now the picture rendering effect of After Effects is basically the same as what C4D sees. Now add compositing directly to the render queue to output MP4 videos. I just modified the video VBR. Others are the default. Select the output path and name, and then click Render. Locate the MP4 file you just output and play it. Can you spot the problem? Yes, it's completely inconsistent with what A sees. I don't know if you've ever been bothered by this question. Anyway, I have had a bad project production experience. The problem is that there is a color parameter that needs to be set in the video format settings. Select sRGB display. ACES 1.0 SDR video. Click OK, and then re-output the video file. Find the re-rendered video file for comparison. The output video color this time is correct. Compare the previous output video file again. Hope this video is helpful for After Effects users to use ACES color flow. Follow me. I will share more practical hardcore experience in the future.